This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Barry Taylor. Lovely updated home in the heart of Merritt Island. The stars of this split floor plan are the oversized great room and the generous kitchen, which features granite counters, breakfast bar, lots of storage, stainless appliances. The room adjacent to the kitchen is perfect for dining room or additional family room. Master bedroom with walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom with roomy shower. Guest wing holds 2 bedrooms and a spacious bathroom which also has a roomy shower. Indoor laundry room offers additional storage. If the nice-sized garage is not enough storage, there's also a storage shed. And out back you'll enjoy a yard spacious enough for a pool and a nice view of the neighbor's pond from the covered patio. Check this one out. You won't be disappointed. Note, square footage obtained from the sketch page of the BCPAO public record. For more information, review the details below or contact Barry Taylor at 321-795-7074.